Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect sear on your tofu. You do want to use a nonstick pan. I'm using Teflon. If this is your first time frying tofu, I would use extra firm tofu. I cut them up into about 1/2 inch thick pieces. I did not press this in advance. I did, however, pat them dry with a paper towel. Turn the light on to medium-high. Add just 1 tablespoon or even 1/2 tablespoon of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can also use avocado oil. We're gonna wait for about 1 minute for that oil to get hot. If we put the tofu in too early, the oil is simply gonna get absorbed by the tofu instead of getting that lovely sear you're looking for. It's been about 1 minute. You know your oil is hot enough when it begins to shimmer like it is right now. Notice none of the tofu pieces are touching. You don't want to crowd the pan. So it's been about 5 minutes and you can see that brown crust developing at the bottom of each piece. That's when you know they're ready to flip. They're not sticking.